What's up, guys? Today we're doing something really freaking cool. I'm so freaking excited. We're touching a very old project that I haven't been able to work on in the past couple of years. Here's how that went, because you guys never saw that. Roll back the tapes. What's up, guys? Today we're working on this, which is really exciting. So I got a little carried away and I managed to pull the motor out, which today we are going to start disassembling. Exciting stuff. This car got flooded. This whole garage got flooded up to like 80 centimeters thereabout. So there's water in the motor and I need to completely take it apart in order to rebuild it, and it's a process that I'm most likely going to be doing myself. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So the next couple days we're picking up an engine for it. Stay tuned for that. And it's gonna be very cool. For now it's nothing major. The engine that we took apart, we're gonna rebuild it completely into something a lot cooler. This engine is just a mule in order to make it move. Nothing more than that. Today we're doing something that's like a bit small. However, it's gonna be very much needed in order to work on it. We're cleaning it up because it is absolutely disgusting. So let's get into it. This is just a bit of an introduction to the future videos. If you're curious about the build and whatnot, please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, take it easy.